join me into the most satisfying underarm wax ever. Look at that hair. Girl, she has been busy. So anyway, as you can see, I have broke the hairs up into sections. And the reason I do this is because I don't want to snap any of the hairs. So all of the hairs that are growing up, I take that with the hot wax and then divide down, getting the hair that grows in the other direction to pull up against the hair growth. Now, as they were a little bit thicker than probably what she would have loved to have had them at, then we had to make sure we went back over the surface to pick up any little fine baby hairs that were just underneath all of that thick hair and didn't grip onto that hot wax. I like to be thorough. We can't leave any little hairs behind, people. There's no point in getting this far and only getting this far. So we get the hot wax on, we give it a little good spray because remember the skin is a little bit warm now. So now it sets, it cools the skin. We're going to get our handle up and boom, there you go. The smoothness has arrived and there we are.